Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro MUA. Thank you for being here. Today I created this cut crease look. I hope you guys like it. I didn't really know what I was gonna do when I started the video. I kind of just went with it and I ended up with this and I really like it. So maybe it's what I gotta do for like every video, I guess. Check this highlight out. You'll find out in the video what highlight I'm using. I covered myself in it. Like my shoulders are done. Like I'm obsessed with this highlighter and I stopped using it just because it was a collection that came out and I don't want to waste it. But like, fuck that, it's great. I'm gonna keep using it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. So I have a very bad cold, my throat is on fire, so please just bear with me. My voice might get a little raspy. I feel like it sounds a little deeper than it usually does, but my throat is just killing me and I've got a bad cough, so just bear with me please. First, I'm going to start off with the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. Next, I'm just taking a clear piece of tape and just putting the tape along the sides of my eyes because I want it to be a perfect line. I'm using the Life's a Drag palette again today. I honestly love it so much. I haven't decided what kind of a look I'm going to go for, but I don't think it's going to be like crazy. So, I'm going to go into Campy. As I say that, I'm going into the yellow. Whatever. I don't think it's gonna be crazy. I don't know. I haven't decided. Anyways, I'm gonna go into Campy and blend that into my crease. I forgot to mention that I used a Morphe E28 to blend out the yellow. Taking a Royal and Nickel BMX 430 crease brush, I'm gonna jump into the color Snatched. I haven't used this yet, so I'm gonna have some fun with this. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't like pre-thought of a look. I'm kind of just dipping into colors and having fun. So let's see how this goes. I hope it goes smoothly and I hope it looks good. Bam! It looks good. These colors blend so nicely, it's not even funny. Taking a Morphe R39 brush, I'm going to go into the color Trade and just go right over top of the red. Taking a small detailing brush and some concealer. Today I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in light. I am going to just carve out my lid. So I'm just going to peel off the tape and make sure I've got concealer where I need to have it. I've carved out my lid with the concealer. I just don't know what I want to put on my lid. I don't know. I think I'm going to go in with Beat and apply that all over the lid. I've decided to take that maybe more than halfway through, and now I'm going to go into Shady and put that on the outer corner of my eye. Just planning as I go, you know? I don't know. I've completed the one eye. I'm going to complete the other off of camera and I'll clean them up a little bit and just follow the tape line with the black on the outer corner and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I finished the other eye. My brother and my mom are watching 8 Mile in the back, like in the living room downstairs. It's really loud, so I kind of hope you can't hear it in the background. For my primer today, I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth Foundation in the shade 130. And I'm going to be using a Morphe M444 brush to blend it out. So I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty Cream Contour and Highlight. I haven't used these since I reviewed them, and I figured I haven't set my face yet, so I might as well use them, right? First, I'm going to go with Bamboo. With the Morphe G38 brush, I'm just going to wet it with some MAC setting spray and blend it out. That is brightening. That is really brightening. So I'm gonna have to set under my eye right away just because I'll get very, very creasy and very cakey. I only set where I highlighted because I am also going to be contouring with the cream stick, and I don't want to set the rest of my face because then it'll cake up once I put the cream on top of the powder. So while my powder sets on my under eyes, I'm going to move on to my brows. And today I'm going to be using the MAC eyebrow pencil. On top of the pencil, I'm going to use the Brow Gal Tinted Brow Gel. I'm going to finish the other eyebrow off of camera and I'll be right back. I have now finished my brows and I am going to swipe away all of the excess powder. So next I will be moving on to bronzer, and today I'm going to be using the Fenty bronzer like I mentioned. The shade here is Mocha. So I'm going to be using the Morphe G1. The contour is blended out and I'm just going to set it, and I'll be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to make this a sharper line, so I'm going to add setting powder there. So I'm just going to do my under eye. I am going to be going into Campy and putting that on my bottom lash line. And then right on top, I'm going to go in with Snatched, but I'm going to keep this closer to the bottom lash line. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to go into the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt thingamabobber. And I'm going to go into Fire Crystal. I'm going to move on to mascara. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I'm just going to use the regular mascara on top and then the waterproof mascara on my bottom lashes. For lashes today, I'm going to be using Icon Lashes, and I'll be using the Drunken Love. I am an affiliate with them, so if you do want to save some money, you can use J Castro anyway at checkout. I will also have it linked in the description box below. I will be applying these off of camera, and I'll be right back once they're on. I'm back and my lashes are on. I'm just going to dust away the powder on my face. We're moving on to blush, and today we're using the Sephora Colourful blush in So Euphoric. And for highlight today, I'm using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie collab in Fuego. Like, it is stunning. Check that out. I can't even tell you how much I love this, but it is blinding. And just for funsies, I am also going to use the Mirame highlighter from the desixkaty collection with Dose of Colors and apply that to my shoulders. Last but not least, we are moving on to lips. I'm just going to do a nude shade just because my eyes are already freaking wacky enough. I'm going to be lip lining with the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Boldly Bare. For lipstick, I am keeping it with the same collection, and I'm using the desixkaty collab with Dose of Colors in More Creamer Please. And I will be applying lip gloss. And I try to use this lip gloss as least as possible because I do not want to waste it. It's the desixkaty Dose of Colors lip gloss in Over the Top. It's such a pretty lip gloss. It's just got gold reflex in it, and oh, it is beautiful. Do you see this gloss? Do you see this gloss? Do you see how glossy these lips are? Look. Oh. So I'm done. The last thing I need to do is just set my face, and I'll be using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. So I'm officially done now that I'm all glowed up to the gods. Like, ooh, ooh, look at the highlight, even on my face. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys like my video. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Excuse me. I'm going to use the brow growl or highlight in my inner corner using the Sephora. And we're using the Sephora. I did it again. I am an idiot. Thank you for being here. I graciously